Hello and welcome to this lesson on Sikhism. This is a guidance lesson only on obviously Sikhism and what do Sikhs believe about God. So what I shall be doing is not teaching and giving you information here about Sikhism. I will be guiding you through the PowerPoint, which will also be on OneNote. So if you look at slide 1, the first thing you will notice is that there is the symbol of the Sikh symbol. And what we would really like you to do, please, is take some time to draw that symbol. Before you draw that symbol, could you please also put the title, What Do Sikhs Believe About God? That'd be fantastic. Now, once you have drawn that symbol in the heart or the center of your page, around it, write as much as you can, remember, about Sikhism. Give yourself about 3 minutes to do this. So that's 3 minutes, and essentially annotate what you know about Sikhism already. Now, it might be at this stage that it's not very much, but really rack your brains. Finally, the challenge on this particular slide is predict how a lion links to Sikhism. And if we move on to slide 2, slide 2 is very much about learning goals and gives you perhaps the skills which you'll be using in this particular lesson. So you'll see, for example, 3 is share some Sikh beliefs about God. So we hope that by the end of the lesson you should be able to do this. Use the Mool mantra, and this is number 4. Use the Mool mantra to explain Sikh belief about God. And number 5 is to interpret, practice beliefs and teachings, describe using key terminology and the Mool mantra Sikhs believe about God. And finally, we hope that you will be developing examination skills when doing this lesson. Now, if we skip on to slide 3, you will see a picture of a magnifying glass. We'd like you to draw that magnifying glass. That covers about half of your page. Now inside that is the magnifying glass. Write any words from the text that you are unsure about. Okay, and that is throughout the entire PowerPoint and all of the slides, not just the next one, which is slide 4. Slide 4. What can you learn about God from these quotes? So what we would like you to do here, please, is obviously read an extract from the Guru Granth Sahib. It is actually the Mool mantra. And we would like you, please, to write anything that you can find out about God from looking at these extracts, please. Okay, that's slide 4. When you get onto slide 5, it's no more challenging, but we would like you, please, you'll see a number of pictures and a number of words. For example, Sikh, Guru, Mool mantra, Guru Granth Sahib, Gurdwara, monotheist. And what we would like you to do is write definitions for those key words. What are they? Okay, find them out on Google if you're not sure. Leave a space if you are not sure to fill in as we go through the lesson, or you can go on Google. But you will be able to find this information ultimately on this PowerPoint. We then skip on to slide 6. Now slide 6 is quite a wordy one, and what we would like you to do from the information given to you on slide 6 is simply this. Write a bullet point list to show the origins of Sikhism. Okay, nice and straightforward. And with slide 7, we would like you to do something slightly different. Slide 7 again gives us a little bit of information about the nature of God. We'd like to read this information clearly. And using that information, could you please write a job description for God from a Sikh perspective? Okay, so that's a job description for God from a Sikh perspective, using the information that you've got available to you on slide 7. Now slide 8 takes us into, again, looking at the Mool mantra. It tells you what the Mool mantra is. I'm kind of itching to tell you in this narrative here, but it's not what this one's about. This is just guidance, how to use the PowerPoint. You will see a box a table, to be more precise, on slide 8. On this table, there is a task for you to do. So, for example, you will have an extract from the Mool mantra. Okay, and what I'd like you to do, what we would like you to do, is on the right-hand column, and this is the bit where you are doing inputting information, is write down the impact on a believer's life. Okay, from looking at the meaning of the Mool mantra, what do you think the impact might be? Finally, slide 9, nice and straightforward one to finish with. It is merely just a bit of a Q&A, question and answer. There are just 5 questions. It's multiple choice. You select, highlight the answer that you feel fits the question. The final is the plenary, and it's simply this: evaluate your performance today. So this is a bit of self-evaluation, and give reasons once you have. So for example, if you have you feel you've completed all the criteria of 5, which is quite a lot of skills, but you think you've got that, then highlight that and briefly indicate why. If you think it's 3, fair enough. 4, fair enough. But you identify and then explain why. Good luck, guys.